How to free up space on C Drive in Windows 10/11. In this video, I'll show you how to free up space on your C Drive in Windows 10 and Windows 11 to improve your PC's performance and storage. Start by opening Settings, then go to System and select Storage. Wait a few moments while Windows analyzes your storage usage. Next, click Temporary Files. Select the files you want to remove, such as temporary files, recycle bin, and delivery optimization files. Then click Remove Files. You can also enable Storage Sense to let Windows automatically delete temporary files and free up space whenever your storage starts getting low. For even more space, uninstall apps you no longer use by going to Settings, then go to Apps and click on Installed Apps. Select an application and click Uninstall. That's it. You've successfully freed up space on your C Drive in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.